Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing Airplane. Yes, we are playing Airplane. So I hope you enjoy, sit back, relax, and maybe grab a snack or two. Don't forget that Coca-Cola. And I will go ahead and start. So yes, I will be playing with multiple people because I don't really have a choice, but we're just going to be honored to be in my YouTube video. Be honored. So yes, some of you may be asking why I'm waiting for this to load. Why are you continuing? Oh, D10. Alright, so why are you continuing to record YouTube videos and nobody's watching them? Because when you keep on trying and you don't give up, like if I just gave up, like I was just like, no, I'm not trying this. I'm not going to keep trying. I would just never get better. Alright, sorry. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. Weather is looking good, which means feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, sorry, I couldn't read all of that. Restroom. Can't open. Okay, well, is this... Dang! First class looking nice. I think that's first class. Scissors. Alright, so that's going to be needing and handy. Captain. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross a high turbulence. Sorry. I just stubbed my toe. No, it won't let me in. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking cold. I'm outside, but this is the only place alone right now. So, yeah. Thank you for your cooperation. Cooperation. Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Angel. Hello, everybody. We are the crew members, and we will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Yeah. Every Roblox story I've ever played has poisonous sandwiches. Why would I? Plus, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna actually... Ew! Oh, I thought they were green. But I'm saving them anyways. Because, like... Exactly. Oh, I didn't even notice these. Oh, she's allergic. I found it! Oh, no. I found it. Wait, that might just be luggage. Oops. Sorry. Where's mine? First of all, should mine be above my seat? No. Well, of course, Steven. Found it. Oh my gosh, I'm actually freaking cold. Okay, whatever. Phew, that was a close one. Yep, it was. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we have reached a stable altitude. Will be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay, I bet I'm about to take a nap. morning. I'm actually freaking cold. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I think you mean electricity, not energy. Guys, look what's on the right wing. Oh, which way is my right again? Oh, this way. Okay. You will not survive. Or those snakes. I'm not scared of snakes. I'm not scared of snakes. No! So, I'm not afraid of snakes. I have to stand above my seat because I'm not letting anybody else touch it with their nasty feet. Oh, the white? I just saw. That one's pretty. Is that a pink one? White. Guys, there's an open restaurant. Go, 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 go! Which restroom? This one. Ha! I made it. I've made it. This doesn't look like a mirror. This doesn't look like a mirror. Well, that's an interesting toilet. I don't think I'll... That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Probably we're dreaming. Shared hallucination. Shared hallucination. Did she just can you even reset? You can't reset your computer. Wow. Should I risk it for a biscuit? Should I reset and see if it resets me? Nah. Oh, see, she didn't even respawn. Well, if it's only us three now, so. Power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank gosh. I would never say the Lord's name in vain. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Where is is that my bag? Is that my red bag? I kind of like red. Dang it. It's Sky. She's not even here anymore. Your attention, passengers. The good news is the power is back up. Bad news is that we are losing significant amount of oxygen. Significant. Mask will drop from over your seat. Take one quick. Do. Gimme. I got one. Alright, we got a mask. On. Coronavirus. Sorry. That was a very old meme. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Well, that's not normal on a plane. I'm pretty sure that's a spaceship. Well, true. Also, planes are secure and have no holes in them, so. True. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is what? Don't give it to me! It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. And I swear if you give that bomb to me, I'm going to kill you. Find something sharp to cut. I know exactly where to go. We found scissors earlier. Dude, where'd the scissors go? found a pair of scissors. I found the pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? Any one that's not going to explode. Blue. I will cut the blue cable. Normally the red one is evil. Did I do it? Oh! He did. Oh, why am I still talking? I have to keep going if I want to survive. I'm just making this a first-person point of view because everybody is gone because of me. I had one person and I killed them. Well, that's interesting. I haven't heard of the crew in a while. I should look for them and check if everything is okay. The captain is down with a scissors way. The captain is down with a scissors way. Hello? No? Okay, never mind. Which side? Where do I check? Tell me where to check now. Jeez Louise! I found them! They're unconscious. I need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room. Okay, I just saw that. I thought we were checking for the captain. But he's probably gonna be unconscious too if them two are unconscious. Or probably, I don't know. It's locked. Dude, something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. How long do I have? Unlimited time. Ooh, unlimited time. Maybe it's inside them. Nope. Where's the code? 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439, 9439. How do I put it in? 943. Oh, maybe I have to type in a chat. 9439. What? 9439. 9439. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to tap on it. That would have been a smarter idea. Excuse me, coming through. 943. I found the code. What's gonna happen next? Find out on Dragon Ball Z. Ah! It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. What did I do? What did I do? You think you are here on accident, but you're not. I think that's it. I brought you here. All of you. All of who? That is not possible. It is. And now it's time to die. See you in the afterlife. Okay. See you in the afterlife. Oh, he just disappeared. The captain is unconscious. Oh, I'm supposed to still be in there. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? We need to find the autopilot button. autopilot a button. Click everything in that button before we die. What? Click everything? My baggage. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Yeah, I'm probably about to die. Wait, am I supposed to check the luggage too? Nope. Well, I'm gonna die because I spent that extra time doing that. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. And no, I don't know how to edit that much, so I can go all the way back. So yeah, but I will see you in the next video. And goodbye. Remember, be nice at school, and if you're not in school, be nice. Have a good day. Make sure to throw away your trash from the popcorn too.